I know exactly how you feel. When that man attacked me, I felt weak and helpless. All I could think of was how I could have punched him or something.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should punish them.
Who the hell are you people?
Lost, we are lost. We are actually on.
Hey! Inazaki, where do you think you're going? Huh? Hey!
Doctor, what are you saying?
I'm saying she needs a surgery to have it removed as soon as possible. It's a high-risk procedure and quite expensive, but without it, the fragment could cause a fatal damage.
A woman defending a pig? Proto, you! We have a common enemy. Your enemy is my enemy. Her enemy is your enemy. After you fought and shot, Charlie, you ran!
You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Nanke then why you hear you for be irate. Takashina your dinner, I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Nanke then why you hear you for be irate. Takashina your dinner, I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate.
After I left the girls, I went to get my mom. When I got there, I was told to see the doctor. I was asked to see you before checking my mother out.
Okay, she's good to be discharged for now, but there is a problem.
What?
Upon further observations, we discovered a wandering bone fragment in her thoracic cavity, which is dangerously close to her heart.
Doctor, what are you saying?
I'm saying she needs a surgery to have it removed as soon as possible. It's a high-risk procedure and quite expensive, but without it, the fragment could cause a fatal damage.
Surgery? How long can she...
Every second is a risk.
Oh. Can you please tell me more about this surgery and how expensive and risky it is?
We need to take her outside the country for the surgery to be done on her.
The hits kept on coming. It was like every time I took 2 steps forward, I was kicked 4 steps back.
The drugs needed for the operations are also very expensive.
Oh, I. Your girl that, you know.
No pressure.
Oh, I. Big up. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
This is a balloon in our bed.
I Ayana, your girl that, you know.
Mama, Sasa Braba.
Oh, Ayana, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Respect. Fatum, bombo. Respect.
I'm still condemned.
Oh, come back to life. You know, Ayana, sorry. Charlie, I can't wait till come. So, now, I feel say people go see me around. So now for hide, Ayana, Charlie, I come, be anything.
Yeah.
I dey hear your help, serious.
You dey hear my help.
Serious, I.
Yeah.
I make one where I set some trap.
Yeah.
Yeah. You catch somebody, but I dey hear some weapon, some protection,
Okay.
Much respect,
You dey hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you remember? Oba, ebe sui be kawan muisam. I'm just a rasta mind here. You pe peace. Ye pe obi uchile na ye buano. Oti asiye. Ye asumdwefo. Ema mi ma goose. O kasa o kono. O ye laskela o kone no ano no. He wallahi. No rasta man more than me or no gangster above me. I go tell you. So you can run, but you can't hide. Do you understand me? So you go out, you come. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So tomorrow, night go. So go and sleep. Huh?
Oh, Aina. Sister woman here, your help,
You don't hear my help, but you owe me.
Aina, I go sort you out. I go sort you
Which
out.
time?
The point be say, first one, Aina, and then what beat me? Kofu be treat me di.
But you remember you treat me di.
Aina, some people they treat me di before I treat you di.
Some people treat you di before you treat me di. What you they do come to you.
Aina, some people treat me di. It's like, it's like intentional, But this time, swear down. Inshallah, me I go sort you out one time.
Oh, no problem. I go help you. Uni Mr. Rasta mind there. Papa dear, you the way. What I say?
Yeah.
Inti se bibi here ono. What I say? No, I can't red level no. Me make sure say this time there me no beko. What I say? Me no beko ni hard.
I respect you from head to toe. Swear say I be taller than you. I respect you so much. I dey worship you. I dey worship Allahu Akbar. Swear down. So inshallah, this time I go sort you out plus percentage.
So let's go percentage. Okay. How many percentage you go give
How many
me?
percentage you want, Ayana?
Oh, me what I'm saying, I want more, so I want to me pay the free wawa.
Ayana, I give you 99%, where I take 1%.
Come again.
I go give you 99% plus interest, where I will take 1%.
You are sure?
I'm sure.
You are sure?
Ayana.
You let me go crazy.
Respect.
Respect. Okay, no problem. So you want peso 3?
Peso 3 and machine 1.
Machine 1.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Ayana, thank you. Thank you, Ayana, thank you.
I'm not your own son. I'm your senior brother, so don't take me like that.
Respect, Ayana. Respect.
Respect.
All right. It's
So-
a memory of Fiona.
What's my
Okay.
Why?
Respect.
Respect.
Ayana. Respect. Much respect, sir.
Okay.
Much respect, sir. Brim. Ayana. Respect. I go see you. Shut up.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Hey, you're fast.
Okay.
Oh, life full of up and downs. It's not always smooth. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're sad. You can't breathe, but you got to survive. When life got its cold hands on you, it's like a curse is laid on you. to make life better. The way this I couldn't hold on any longer. Oh yeah. Hey, I made you say me kwana me fa we mwana. Na se ma yinya kupopo ni bi anya. No chimo si. Oh yeah ni akwa unkobi. Why satan sandibi. Osikeni bisu oh baby. Oh bibi anaswani eni je. Sees when he or she's sitting, a child won't see, even when standing. Until you grow up, until you grow up, hey, then you will know all about life.
I kept trying to figure out why bad things kept happening to me. And not just me. My poor mother. She was a good person. She raised me to be an even better person. So why were we being punished? How did our simple lives take such a dark turn?
Freeze! Are you the police? And you, handsome?
What? I've always wanted to say that.
Where the hell is he? It's 1 a.m. on a weeknight. Why isn't he in bed?
He's probably in some girl's bed.
You didn't think this plan through, did you?
What is there to think through? It was a very simple plan. Just break in, get him at gunpoint, and make him apologize for setting me up.
Well, it was a waste of time because he's not even here.
Are you sure this is his house?
Ew.
His ex-girlfriend was a little heavy.
Then he just got it because it looks new.
Please don't touch anything.
Relax. I'm just browsing.
For what? We came here to play a prank, not to steal.
Are you calling me a thief?
No.
Good. Because I won't let you insult me after wasting my time.
She's right. This is all a waste of time. What are we even doing? This is stupid. We're not even criminals.
Yeah, you almost got me drunk. You know, the law says don't drink driving. No. Don't drive drinking. Either ways, you shouldn't mix drinking and driving. So I didn't drive. I came home in a taxi. I'm exhausted. How about you? You sure? The home is just quiet. Every place is bored. There's nothing going on here. But I miss you. You should.
Hey!
There you go.
I need to sit here. I told you. place is all quiet, babe. It's all quiet, you know. It's like the headquarters of opposition party. Nothing is happening there. Not funny. I need you here, babe. Come on, girl. You would have been cooking for me by now. What's this? No, it is some particles I saw on the floor. You know, I don't know, but I'm at the fridge now. Like a grass cutter entered my fridge. Maybe it's me, I don't know. Because it was a crazy bite. It was so much fun, so much fun. I don't know what you were doing, whether Azoto, Bazoto, or Siso. I don't know. Okay. You know? Yeah. Baby, hold on. Hold on, okay. Just hold on. Hello? Yeah. Oh, no. Life is good. Life is good. I don't know what you put in a drink. It's so powerful. It's cleansing a lot of impurities from my body. No. I feel refreshed, renewed. I've overcome my enemies. But you know how I feel about you, right? Love you so much. Super exhausted, you know. Yeah? How about you?
Okay.
It sticks.
No, you can't go. Over and over.
That's what I'm telling you. Hey, did I leave my lights? Baby, it's crazy. Nowadays, I think I'm having mental problem. I left my light on and went for work. Made the car off. So, yeah, exactly. Yeah. You know what? Give me just 10 minutes. Okay? I'm going to call you back. 10 minutes. I have a special secret CIA operation. You know what I'm talking about? No, I'll explain later. Okay? I'll explain later. All right. Take care. Love you. Mwah.
What the hell were you doing there?
Shut up! Actually, let him talk.
See, we'll talk, okay? But before I proceed, I'm wet. I have to wipe. Else, it's unhygienic. It's unhygienic.
No, this is perfect. You are exactly where you belong. You piece of shit. You love to make videos, right? Let's make one of you confessing and apologizing for trying to get me fired.
Okay, listen, let me explain, I beg you, okay? Let me explain. The video was doctored for it to look like you are flashing your breast, but in actual fact, it's only a setup, please. So it happens in so many companies. It's only a setup.
Let it out!
Thank you. So I'm very sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, it will never happen again. If you give me the chance, it won't happen again. I beg you. I'm very sorry. Okay.
I can watch this kill us with his farts. Like really.
I can watch this over and over and over.
Push your elbows inside in the bathroom. I couldn't even breathe.
Oh my god. This.
Oh my god. Well, let me check the door. Sony Portia. Oh my god, that's so funny. Naya. Portia, are you okay?
It's Ma.
Oh god.
No, not what you're thinking. She's fine. She's alive.
Thank God.
But probably not for long.
What you mean?
She needs another surgery. But soon, or else she's going to die.
And when is the surgery?
Probably never. I can't afford it. You're talking about flying in experts and all these other costs. It's just too much.
I was about to ask about insurance.
But can she get a loan?
I mean, Layla, she should have money in the bank. If not, they won't give her the loan. Sweetie, I can help you out with some money, okay? It's my savings. It's very small, but for the start.
Thank you. But I don't know what to do. I don't know how I'm going to come up with that amount of money. I mean, I don't even have time to figure out...
Look, Portia. It's fine. We'll figure something out, okay?
How? How is a broke, unemployed girl with no bank credit supposed to come up with 33,100 Ghana cedis?
Posh, relax, okay? Calm down. Calm down.
Wait. That's the number.
What number?
3310. That's the code.
3310.
Yes, 3310. That's the code to the safe. The diamonds, girls.
I said it. She has finally lost it. She's lost her mind.
Layla, relax and express yourself.
Remember when I told you girls that my late husband left me with something, but I just hadn't figured out how to get it? So the night he proposed to me,
Where are my glasses?
your glasses. You probably left them downstairs. Here, let me help you. It's a bank notification. Your account has been credited.
Oh, just as always. Wow, what could I have done without you?
Why does a rich man like use such a phone?
Well, I am old school. That's old school. I don't like using things that crack and make fancy noises.
But I make fancy noises and you still like me.
I don't just like you. I love you. I really love you. That is why I want to show you this.
Oh my God. Are these?
These are diamonds. These are the real Aquatia precious stones. My grandfather passed them on to my father, and my father passed them on to me, and I would have passed them on to my son, who decided to become a priest and deprived me of grandchildren.
So why are you telling me all this?
Because I love you and I want to marry you. I want you to give me more children so that we can pass this to them. What do you say?
Yes. Yes, of course I'll marry you. Yes. Yes, I'll marry you. I'll give you all the grandkids in the world.
Okay. I want to have my showers. I want them to put them back into the safe.
No, please wait. I want to admire them for a few more minutes.
Okay, as I go to the washroom, put them back to the safe.
Sure. What's the code? Yes. Oh my God. It's unreal. 3310. That's the code. Are you sure? I am so sure. Look guys, this is the answer to all our problems. We need to get my diamonds back.
Look, you can't claim them unless he's put them in writing. You can't legally demand them.
Who even said anything about legal? We just need to get this safe and take them. Nobody needs to know.
Wait, where is this safe?
He had all his stuff moved into the new apartment before we got married.
And that house has a new owner.
He only got the keys last week. He probably hasn't even moved in yet.
What if he has?
Look guys, please, stop being so difficult. You see, this is our big break. That big break we've all been waiting for. If we get the diamonds and sell it, Portia can take care of her mom. And Nana, you know, you can even set up a firm. And I can go back to school and start taking care of myself. It's a win-win for all of us.
You know what? Count me in.
Do you really want to do this?
I'm not going to sit around and wait for my mother to die. I've been feeling helpless of late, and I get mad at everything. Everyone gets me angry.
Then we really need to work out something to help you release some of that anger.
I wasn't sure what Nanaya was talking about, but at that point, I did not care. I was down for whatever.
Hi, lady. Why? Any problem?
Yes, my car won't stop. I've been trying to start it for a while.
Oh,
Yes.
sorry. Can I help you?
Oh yeah, sure. Please, fine. Go ahead.
No
Thank
problem,
you.
no problem.
Thank you.
I think it's a small problem, okay?
meet again.
Hey, Portia! Yeah, we meet again. How are you?
Let me ask you, where do you want it? In your face, your stomach, or down there?
Portia, Fine, forgive me. Portia, forgive me. You're somebody in trouble. Portia, please, forgive me.
Take off your coat.
Pardon?
Take off your coat!
Now! Okay, no problem.
Remove the shirt.
Yeah! It depends on you. As I did so, depends on me. Mary.
Drop the pants.
Oh, you see, I'm elderly person.
Drop the pants!
Okay, no problem. May you cry, I will feel. Come to do that. Come on.
I've never been a violent person, but that felt so good. It made me feel strong. It made me feel power.
You guys, down. Yes. What? It's okay, sir. What? That's on your face. That's him.
And who is the child?
I don't even know who she is.
So what do we do now?
Wow, okay.
I'm Yanaka.
Huh? Oh boy. Police ni ba. Okay. Hey, oh wow. Come on, police ni dia ka golf 2. Ni golf 3. Who can?
Anyway, officer, see from saying.
Oh, I'm Corporal John. No, so I'm Corporal John. Together, John and John.
Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Nanka beden why you hear me. You for be irate. Takashina your dinner, I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't know.